Time's up! Okay, so are you guys ready to play?
Yes.
Yes.
So we have these cards right here with different words and monsters.
Okay.
So we have two teams, the first team and the second team.
Team two.
And saying a full sentence, we have to guess what monster it is or what's the word. And the team that guesses the most wins, of course.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay. We can start? Yes?
Yes, we start. Okay, let's go.
Okay, wait.
How long do we have?
And we have 20 seconds.
20 seconds. Okay.
No, 20 seconds.
20 seconds. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Go!
It's alive. It
It's a
has
monster.
bones.
It's a monster. It's Frankenstein. It's a Frankenstein monster.
Yes. He has a doctorate.
He's Dr. Frankenstein.
No.
He's a skeleton.
Stop!
Ah.
Doctor?
I put it back in the pile. I put it back in the pile. Okay. Here you go.
Okay, let's go.
And go.
He's old and magical.
Old and magical. I put on the best ones.
One time.
He's bad.
Ow.
It's an
It's an owl.
He's little and bad.
Stop.
Good job, guys. You finished all the stack of cards. So now we only have one word to find what character it is.
one word.
It's hard.
How long?
And we have 20 seconds too.
Oh. Okay. Let's go.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go!
Bones.
It's a skeleton.
Yes. White.
It's a ghost.
Yes.
Quick! Quick!
Furry.
It's a werewolf.
No.
It's a rabbit.
No.
It's a zombie.
Stop!
Ah. Ah. Okay. Go.
Monster.
Oh, this is monster. Out.
Sorry.
Again.
Bad.
Rope.
It's
It's a rope. It's a... Ow.
Crazy.
It's a witch.
Penis.
That's it.
Egypt.
It's a mummy.
Yes.
Yeah, we finished. We finished the stack. Okay.
Wow.
That's 6 points for us. And you?
What?
Oh.
Oh. Okay, what's next?
What's next?
So now we're gonna mime to find the character.
Oh. Can we speak?
No,
Just mine.
just miming.
Okay. That's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Okay.
You mine.
I start. Okay. Tell me when to.
How long?
20 seconds again.
20 seconds. Okay. Come
Ready?
on, Ben. Come on, Ben.
Go!
It's the hand.
No.
It's a vampire.
No.
It's a monster. A Frankenstein monster.
No.
It's a spider.
Yes.
It's an owl.
No.
It's a bat.
Yes.
It's Igor. It's a zombie.
No.
It's a gremlin.
Stop. It was a werewolf.
Oh.
And go.
Zombie.
It's
a zombie.
It's a zombie. It's a magic potion. It's a witch. It's a scientist.
Stop. Stop.
Two like us.
Oh yeah, 2 and 2. Okay. What is the total of points?
So team 1 got 4 points. Yeah, 4 seconds. And team 2 got 2 points. So, team 1 got 6 points.
Yeah, 6 points.
Okay, and you got
Yeah, that's 1. That's 7.
And mine got 2 points.
12.
And you got
4 plus 6, 10 plus 2.
53. 12. And 2 plus 1 is 3.
3 plus 2 is 5.
Okay.
Time's
So you
up.
win!
Yeah, I know. Aha. Thank you.